ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎಡಿಬಲ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್ ನೇನು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ? ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. Two groups. One is hot pressed oils, cold pressed oils. Hot pressed oils, other name is nothing but refined oils. High temperature with a loss of natural odor and antioxidants and minerals that have been removed by adding a preservative. The opposite for the cold press oils. It's been just extracted by pressing the seeds without applying external temperature, and all the properties, minerals, antioxidants, odor, taste have been preserved in the cold press oils. These cold press oils most of the time should be used for garnishing your salads and garnishing your dishes. These refined oils have been used for cooking your food, which are more unhealthy and more used. Eating turns to unhealthy by oxidation of fatty acids. Which oil to be used for cooking? It's a big question mark on your use your oil whichever at the minimal for your food.